For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. On a lot of my PC build guides, I always say to get a second-hand case or even a brand new one that's cheaper off TradeMe. Now I've actually done this once with a smaller case for a mini server that I was building, but in this video we're going to be showing you a case that is a little bit larger. It's brand new, but it's a little bit off-brand. The reason I got this is because it was nice and slim, but we'll see how big it is now. So let's go ahead straight into the video. Cool, so here's the case. It's the Meway case, and it's a little bit larger than I thought it'd be, but that's fine. Let's get it out here. So this case is actually pretty okay. So it's made fully of aluminium, and build quality is not that great. It has some sort of mesh front panel, which is why I got it as well. It looks pretty cool with that. The sides are pretty okay. It has a space for a fan there. Now let's just measure how large it is. So from the height of it, let me get my ruler here. So the height of it is around 35.5 centimeters. And how long is it? So it's about 27 centimeters wide, and sorry, the width here, that's about 16.5. So not too bad overall in terms of its height and stuff. So let's grab the screwdriver and see inside it. So this case is very poor quality, and it's fully aluminium, so you know, chances of shorting things are pretty high. Not good. That's okay. Drop the screw. But this is a budget build, so I'm basically migrating my old PC into this one. Besides the motherboard, all of the parts are spare, and I will be doing a budget build with this PC case. So I got off there. So yeah, and actually not too bad. It has some place for some cable management here. Comes with all the front I/O, which is good to see. So I will be putting a build in here, and let's just see down here the screws it comes with. So okay, so it comes off with some standoffs and some screws for mounting the motherboard and power supply, I believe. I'm not sure if a micro-atx board is able to actually fit in here, although it does show at the back enough space for it. So I believe this case does actually have enough space for a micro-atx case, motherboard, and the case is not too bad. You can hear it, it's very, very thin, very, very poor quality, and this is what I expected. It's pretty light, doesn't have any feet at the bottom, and you know, I just thought this just to show you guys like what the budget cases are like. You know, I say, you know, you can buy it off TradeMe if you want to, but make sure you get something a little bit better quality. Would I recommend this case? Probably not. I just got it because it's nice and small. It's really small. And yeah, I think it's going to be a nice case to build in overall. So, you know, it is what it is. But again, that's why I say get something branded, maybe second hand, or get a brand new case off TradeMe that's a little bit cheaper. This one cost me $55. It's actually not too bad. It is metal everywhere though, like quite literally aluminium. It's very, very light. And let's just see over here. See, look at that, I can bend the aluminium with my hand. If you improperly held this thing with all its components, and it probably could actually snap. Let's just see the back panel here, so let's undo this quickly. As you can see, I'm actually struggling to get the back panel off. Okay. The back panel is not coming off right now, but I will get it off in the future and show you guys what it's like. So. Wow, that took a lot of force. Yeah, you guys saw that flying off. So it's got some places to mount SATA here, and yeah, it ain't that great, to be honest, this case here. I'll be using it as a travel PC probably. Probably would have been better to spend my money on something else. But that's the whole point of this type of thing, is we get to try it out and see how it goes. I will be building, in this case, a PC. So stay tuned for that. It will be a budget PC for New Zealand for this year. And yeah, I mean, will I recommend it from first glance? Probably not. So I hope that showed off the build to you guys. So in summary, poor quality build. It does have a mesh front panel, which is kind of nice. Has places to mount some of your fans here. This one is non-standard at 80 mils. I think it's a micro-atx mount. It's made fully of aluminium. It's very light, and as you can see, I could probably break it if I wanted to. It comes with 2.0 front headers, which is cool, I guess. And the back panel was a pain to take off. It was very, very difficult, and overall it's poor quality. So thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you check out wisetech.org for the latest post reviews and much more. See you guys there at wisetech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.